What sound does letter A make? What sound does letter B make?
Ba.
What about letter C?
Ka.
What about letter D?
Da.
What about letter E?
Ah.
What about letter F? What's the sound of F? What about G?
Ga.
What about H? What about H? What about I?
Eh.
What about I?
Eh.
Eh. What about J? What about J?
Mommy, okay.
Okay, but you gotta do the sounds of the letters first. What about J?
Yeah.
I can't hear you. Move your hand.
Yeah.
J. Good job. What about K?
Ka.
Like what?
Yeah, see.
Oh, like letter C. K. Good job. That's right. What about L?
See.
What's the sound of L?
Yeah, yeah, Bob.
Like lollipop.
Mommy, I want Yappy Pop.
What sound does letter M make? What about N? What about O? What about P?
Pa.
Like
popcorn.
Like popcorn. Good job. What about Q?
Ka.
Qua. What about R? What about S? No, S. What about S? What sound does letter S make? I can't hear you. Like a
Snake.
Like a snake.
I'm a snake.
You're a snake. You're a snake. What about T?
Ta.
Good job. What about U? Good job. What about V? Good job. What about W? Wow. What about X? Good job. What about Y?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, yo-yo.
Like yo-yo.
I'm a yo-yo.
And what about Z? Zzz. Like a
Nick.
no. Z.
Z.
Like a zebra.
Ipa. E.
Yay, you know all the sounds. Give me a 5. Yeah. Come on, give me a big 5. Yeah. No, you gotta open your hands. There you go. Again. Whoa. Again. Oh. Again. Oh, you missed. Oh.